SilverSilk Hollow Mesh is an inventive knitted wire chain that takes your jewelry into bold new territories. It is crafted by intricately knitting 32-gauge colorful copper wire, as fine as a strand of human hair, into a perfectly consistent, durable, hollow tube that you can cut to any length. The copper wire is permanently enameled and tarnish-resistant, ensuring your handcrafted jewelry stays vibrant and durable over time. SilverSilk Hollow Mesh joins the strength and beauty of metal with the intricacy of a finely woven knit tube that you can fill with beads, cording, or nearly any material up to 5 mm. You can also stitch wire wrap or use another jewelry-making technique to attach beads. Hollow mesh may be expanded by 1 millimeter or 2 using a dowel that's slightly larger than the mesh. Or you can make the mesh smaller by drawing it through an acrylic draw plate. Whether you fill it, stitch it, or shape it, Hollow Mesh is here to spark your creativity and take your jewelry in a new direction.